As you can all see, I got my HDPE skid plate on that I made. This side I like the best. And let's go around to the other side. I got the Kydex cover on that I made. And then there's the skid plate right there. I could probably try to bend that up more. I don't know. I think it's good. I got the generic Nissan front brake master on with the Tusk red line I mentioned before. So I got that all routed down and around. I had to cut some, I had to shorten this black liner because it was too long. I put some black tape just to kind of protect it there. And I moved this rubber garment down, cut it, and slid it back up. So it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go do a top speed run because that's what everyone wants. And it's an overcast day. And yeah, let's just do it. Yeah, being cold, it doesn't like gas. But once it's warm, it seems like you have to give it some gas. Now, obviously, the cable's a little long. It's made for the XR650R. But I don't mind that because it's out of the way of the gauges. I suppose if that bothered you, you could get a custom cable made. There's guys that make custom cables. You could get a custom cable made and maybe just use this cable. Whoever I sell this bike to, use this cable. Maybe take a few inches off. Cut some more of that black plastic off. But it's out of the way. Otherwise, it would be right in your line of sight. So this is nice. It's out of the way. Plenty to go up and down, not get caught under here and yank this. So that's nice. Okay, so I'm going to jump on I-25 southbound. I'm at Baptist Road. I'll go down to Northgate, one exit. That should be able to give me a speed run. And then I'll do the trip coming back. So that should be a good indicator. Two directions. First time south, next time north, and see how it does. It's going to be scary, I'll tell you that. I'm already scared. So crazy coronavirus. I can't go in for registration until next I have an appointment. It's appointments only to get a plate. Okay, we'll see. Oh, come on, guy. It's bad enough I have to go slow. Oh, 50. Oh, 53. I'll have another gear. Okay, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Oh, yeah. Point that down. Oh, my God. 60. Oh! And again, oh, that was the last gear. Oh, my God. Oh! It doesn't like this little incline. 57, plus it's windy today. Not as bad as it has been sometimes. This is a windy area. 57. Oh my God. I'm going the minimum that you can go on the interstate, I believe, is 55. Oh, 57. Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. I'm just hanging on for dear life. Oh my, 58, because I'm slightly going down. 59. Okay, come on. I'm almost there. Yeah. I'm pegged. Like the throttle can't turn anymore. So this is with the 13 tooth front and 63 rear. Oh, the things I do for you people. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. 50 cell, come on, I leveled out slightly downhill. I mean, I'm maxed on the throttle. There's nothing I can do. I don't think I'm revved out. I mean, maybe. So if you had to travel like this on a normal highway, you'd be okay if the speed limit's 55, even 60. You'd be somewhat decent. Let's get off. This is crazy. I'm still pinned. I'm just going into this corner hot. And I'll probably get this retard that wants to go on the left. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, that was scary. That was scary. On a normal road, you can see it kind of gets up there just fine, like kind of like a econo car, you know. You're not going to win any races, but yeah, this thing is, oh my God. Oh, you're going to make me go back. Oh, yes, a grown man. I'm going to be crying, man. Okay, looks like a space. I don't think he shouldn't be getting back on. So he made a mistake. Okay. I'll move you up while I'm getting on. 45. 47, 48. 50. I think I have one more gear to go. There we go. 51. Oh, hair bun guy. Oh, coming over. Yeah, 56. Oh, I'm in top gear. This is it. 58. Oh my. Oh boy. 58. 59. So yeah, if you're sticking to side roads and not an interstate that has a speed limit of 75, if you're on a highway that's 55, even 65, and you're then only going like, you know, 5 under to 10 under, you're good to go, you know? Especially if you have 2 lanes each way. This is nuts. Man, this is live action right here. Or live death. I'm just staying to the right, which I normally wouldn't do on a road. Like I'm staying here. If somebody cuts me off, I got the shoulder to use. Okay, I think we got the point. Back up you guys go. Oh, man. If you're wondering what I weigh with some gear on, I weigh with gear 206 pounds. Just did that measurement today, or weight today. Yeah, measurement. Did that weight today. Put myself on the scale with riding boots, climb F3 helmet, climb Dakar jacket, climb good Dakar pants, climb Dakar gloves, GoPro, the external battery, all that. I weigh 206. I weigh like just under 190, butt naked. Okay. Wow, that's why I did that this morning. Oh my. Oh, I should have went there or went cut through. Oh my. Ah. Whoa. Oh man, the GoPro fell off. Ah, shit. I lost the GoPro. How did I lose the GoPro? Shit. Put that in. Buddy, that was freaking weird. I've never had that come loose to just fall out. Wow. So I lost a screw thing for the GoPro, but the safety leash, where is it? It's on the chin. Safety leash saved the GoPro. I'm lucky I used this. I just used it being like, oh, why not? They give it to you. Yep, so saved it. Okay, I want to turn you guys off and go home. That was an interesting speed run. I'm not doing that again. I'll probably do it again with the other gearing. Probably not on the interstate because it's going to be much lower. I'll probably just find a back road because I'll probably only get up to 50. Okay, have a good one. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Take care.